Hi, I'm Peter, inventor of the swag. In economically uncertain times, we focus on the priorities, keeping your family safe, with a roof over your head and food on the table. That's where the swag comes in. The swag is a bag for your fruit and veggies that keeps them fresher for longer. This means fewer trips to the store, whilst also reducing your food waste, ultimately saving you money and saving the planet. But how does the swag actually work? The swag is a compostable, breathable bag that allows fruit and veggies to breathe and hydrate, helping them to stay fresh, crisp and nutrient-rich for 2 weeks or more. This is because the swag's unique and patented 3-layer design. It's made from 3 layers of 100% unbleached cotton. The outer layer protects your fruit and veggies and stops the water in the middle layer drying up. The middle layer absorbs and draws the moisture away from the fresh produce in your swag. The inner layer provides a drier protection barrier which allows fruit and veggies to breathe and hydrate. The swag is also non-toxic, sustainable, machine-washable and ethically handmade. It's also proudly built to last years with proper care. Healthy fruit and veggies are packed with nutrients, so the longer you keep your fruit and veggies fresh, the more nutrients you have in your diet. Storing them in plastic bags in the fridge is not an environment that helps your produce to thrive. It actually suffocates fruit and veggies, making them sweat, reducing their nutrient value, leaving you with wrinkled, rotten veggies. Say goodbye to plastic and hello to natural freshness. Fewer trips to the store and more cash in your wallet. Jump onto our website to view our full range of swag products. Happy swagging!